What up, guys? So on this episode I'm going to show you how to fix something that happens to most EFs and a lot of these Hondas that have the front control arm in the front, or if you put a traction bar on there you would have these three bolts over here. The issue is the bolt and the nut, when you're coming to loosen it, it just keeps spinning. On the nut that are welded on the back side, starts the welds break, and then what happened with this car, they already welded the traction bar to the car, but I'm making a front plate and I want it to be removable, so I'm actually going to fix this and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. So what I did so far, made it a little cut here, access panel, that if you look I actually cleaned before I cut, so that way I can weld it back up. If you look in there you can see the holes. So my plan is to grind it up, clean it up with this. I already got a bunch of different bolts that I'm going to need over here. It would be better to use grade 8 bolts, but I got what they had. I think these are 8.5, 8.8 grade or whatever. Got washers, lock washers. I took the original bolt to get the threads matched because I wanted to keep it metric, just like that. I got these nuts. I'm going to try to keep these clean. You guys get the idea. I'm just going to put these on there, tighten it, and then go back and weld it, and I'll show you guys real quick what I'm doing. See that I got it all shiny and clean in there.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Doesn't look perfect, but it's done. Paint it, it's not gonna rust, it's all good. Now I'm gonna do the other side. There it is, all welded up with a layer of primer on it. There you go, finished job. Now all I gotta do is bend this back up. Bend this guy back up and weld it in place.
Never gonna say goodbye. No.